Hello, welcome to Dreamers Vlog. Apa kabar aku cinta padamu? Ayu Ting Ting ma'am. If you don't know about me, saya Abid dari India. And yes, we have to recommend Noor Aini saying Chantik Bangit Ayu Ting Ting. I know about Chantik. Ayu Ting Ting is beautiful Chantik. But what is the meaning of Bangit? You told me many times or twice or thrice, but I always forget because Bangit, Bangit. Very, I think Bangit is very. So what do you think? Please comment me below. So today we are going to make reaction of Ayu Ting Ting, a brownish TV again. So I really feel excited to watch Ayu Ting Ting ma'am always. So please support Ayu Ting Ting 92. It's her official Instagram. You have to follow. Now let's start the video. We will talk after. So guys, 1, 2, 3. Now let's start the video. Play.
Rosmalina!
Ayu Rosmalina. Ivan, he is very funny guy, lucu guy. If you watch him first time, and Ayu Ting Ting Chantik, Wendy. Oh yeah. Oh look at her Ayu Ting Ting ma'am eyes. She focus on somewhere. Sama aku. Ivan. Ini guys. He has good voice too. I thought he is just a funny or lucu guy, but he has a good voice. Ruben Onso, Bed and Peto Dan. He is professional host. If you don't know about Ruben Onso and Wendy also lucu. Kamu means you. Aku means I. Saya means I also. Oh my god. Ayu Ting Ting ma'am is always mantap guys. You all know we are best of best and really best. Ayu Ting Ting ma'am always best, and we are fan of Ayu. That's why we always support her, because she have a multi talent inside her voice on legs, because she can dance, she can move her body, she can sing, she can be a movie star, she is actress because she is very beautiful, she can do anything guys, she can do anything. So you have to support Ayu Ting Ting 92. I already follow Ayu Ting Ting 92 if you don't know, so you have to follow also if you watch from India, from any place, because Ayu Ting Ting ma'am is love. Aku cinta padamu Ayu Ting Ting. Oh my god, I really wish to meet with Ayu Ting Ting ma'am, and she living in Depok, right? So in my previous video I asked you she living in Jakarta or Depok, but you did not answer, so you have to answer me, because Ayu Ting Ting ma'am, I want to make vlog and want your autograph with photograph, then I will upload on Instagram. And please guys support Ayu Ting Ting. And now let's read comments, otherwise you will angry that you did not pick my comment. I comment you but you didn't. It's okay. Okay, Rina Nero Explore saying Ayu Ting Tinglicious go up. Yes, We always support Ayu Ting Ting. That's why. And terima kasih Rina Nero Explore. You are awesome. Terima kasih. Terima kasih means thank you. If you don't know about terima kasih. And next from Fresh Air. Oh, I love air and nature, but that name is very cool. You have a nice name. Fresh Air X128. 128. Well reacted, dude. Ah, terima kasih. Very entertaining. Well done. I really feel motivated whenever I feel that I can entertain you and you feel good after watch me. Then I really feel lucky and good. And inside me, I am so happy. Okay, now next from Naifa Medela. Oh my god. Naifa Medela saying best day Ayu Ting Ting then kisses. Just kidding, guys. And yes, Nateri Magasi Naifa Meldeta best then Ayu Ting Ting ma'am. Really best, always Mantap and Karen. And next from Atika Sekanun Tikha. Tikha means like so hard. I don't know how to tell you in English, but in Punjabi it's like knife. We can say knife. And Atika, thanks you. Terima kasih. I love you, Ayu Ting Ting. No, only Akku Chinta Padamu Ayu Ting Ting ma'am. But I know we all are fans and we can love Ayu Ting Ting ma'am. And we, Saya, Ayu Ting Ting fan, Dari India. We all, how to say we all in Bahasa, because I want to say we all are Ayu Ting Ting fans and we all love Aku Cinta, we all Cinta Padamu Ayu Ting Ting ma'am. So please teach me some language in Bahasa because I am still learning. One day I will learn fully and then we will speak Bahasa in our videos and you will feel lucky, and I also, because I can communicate with you easily. And hope you like my reaction, guys. If you really like, then don't forget to subscribe me and also support our Ayu Ting Ting 92. Okay, bye bye guys.